Grade 6 girls, let us begin lesson 4.6 for find unit rates. This is one of the most important lesson what we have to cover. Girls, please be attentive. If you want, you can even watch the video later once again so that you all become perfect in this concept. Okay, what is the meaning of unit rate? Anyone? The word unit, what does it mean?
Miss, can you say it again?
What is the meaning of the word unit? Unit.
Unit, that means it's part of something.
Like example, Tala, you know the cost of, like example, you are buying the boxes of slime, okay? You know the cost of 8 boxes is 40 riyals. So one box is how much?
Like all of the cost of 4 boxes is 40 riyals.
Like see,
One
cost of 8 is 40. Yes, cost of 4 boxes is 4 riyals.
One box is 5
is 1
riyal.
riyal. That means when you need to find the cost of one piece, that is nothing but you want to know the unit rate. Like let me begin. Star fruit or karma is the fruit of a tree that is native to Indonesia, India, and Sri Lanka. Slices of the fruit are in the shape of 5-pointed star. 5-pointed star. Lara paid $9.6. $9.6 for 16 ounces. Find the price of 1 ounce. Now look at the white screen. Look at the white screen. I will share something and I'll explain. For $9.6, how many ounces?
Miss 16.
Page number 243.
So like,
and the question is, ounces are usually written as OZ. The question is, find for 1 ounce. How much? Where is the question mark? Here. Wherever you see the question, ask yourself, $9.6 is 16 ounces. So 1 ounce is how much? What are you going to do? You are just going to divide 9.6 divided by 16. That's it. So when you divide them, one minute here. Here I go. Now, write a ratio that compares price and weight. Write a ratio that compares price and weight. Tell me, $9.60 is 16 ounces. How do you divide them? Tell me, how do you divide them?
9
you can
divided by 16.
You can see, you can directly do this. Don't
then put the point.
Yani go with this. Just simple, do it. I'll do here. You copy it. 16 times, just imagine there is no point. 16 times 5, let us see. No, let us check 16 times 6. Wow, I got 96. That means 16 times 6 is 96. But remember, point before one number, so point before one number. So my answer is
2.6.
The price.
Oh yeah,
Mister, that's the answer.
Miss, it's like very easy. So basically, we just do this thing
listen to me.
and we put the ounces and then the dollars.
Yes, what I want you to know is, one second. Let me erase all this so that you can just copy from here. This is very important. Circle it, underline it. Write exactly how they have shown here. Now, girls, you know that you need to divide 16. This part, if you don't get it, it's okay. You are actually dividing them both with 16. Did you understand how you get the $60 is 1 ounce? Did you get that?
Yeah.
Now, what you have to write extra is this way, girls. Like $9. If you learn this method, it will be very easy. $9 is 16 ounces. So $1 ounces is how much? Like see, ounce and dollar and dollar.
0.60.
You need to divide. Which direction? You need to divide 9.6 to 16. Why? Because you see a question mark here. So you take this number first in the numerator and this one in the denominator. Did you get it?
Miss, is it okay if we switched it, or we will get it
No,
wrong?
that's what. You have to be very careful. If you do 16 divided by 9, 96, you will get a wrong answer. Be very careful. Like example, I'll just give you a simple example. Forget about this question. Forget about this question, okay? Did you finish this? First finish this and then I will give you one simple example. Finish this first, everyone. Jury, Siraj.
Let's wait to have a little.
One who all came late, please concentrate. This is not an easy lesson. Copy this first and I'm going to explain.
Miss, it's easy, but the problem is with it, I don't know what number that we can
I will
divide.
explain. I will show you. I'll show you, Lamar and everyone. I'll do that. First finish right. Can I go to the white screen? Did everyone write?
Miss, wait.
Okay, Lamar, do it.
Okay, done.
Is this going to come in the test?
I'm done.
Girls, can I go to white screen and explain you?
Yes.
Yeah, Miss, but is this going to be in the test?
Not this test, but definitely yes. Now see here. I'll give you example. I'll choose. Jana, you went to a Jana. Are you listening? Jana, you listening?
Yes.
Jana, you went to a shop. Tell me your favorite chocolate.
Snickers.
Okay. You buy 5 Snicker box. 5 boxes of Snickers for 40 riyals. Okay? And then you come to me and you say, teacher, I bought 5 boxes for 40 riyal. I said, okay, I just want the price of 1 box. What's your answer? You will divide. You will divide. See, you see the question mark here? Put an arrow mark. From the question mark, put it that means you will divide 40. You will divide that question mark. You will divide 40 divided in 5. You will not divide 5 over 40. So your answer is teacher.
So you go from
10
up
riyals.
so you go from down to up when there's a question mark,
No,
right?
it depends upon the question. See, it depends. Like example, I ask you. Like my statement is, I have 20 riyals in my pocket. I have 20 riyals in my pocket, and I buy 7 boxes, or sorry, 4 boxes of milk. 4 can of milk, okay, not boxes. Boxes will be 4 can of juices, okay, better be juice, you will love it. 4 can of juices, 4 cans of juices. So 1 can cost how much? How do you do this?
You bought it for 20 riyals, so it's 5 riyals for each box.
Because you will divide 20 over 4. Now do you see how I go from up and down, because the question mark is here.
Yeah.
Are you all able to understand, girls? Juri Siraj.
Yes.
Did you get it? Like, see. Or
Not really.
see, Juri. 7 earrings. You got it for around 49 riyals. How much is one earring cost? This one means unit rate. What is it called? One earring is how much?
Wait.
You will divide 49 over 7, not 7 over 49. That means 7 times 7. 7 riyals. Do you understand how to do it?
So you divide it.
You divide it. But how to divide?
Divide the
Which
So
direction
the
you
big
must know?
number, we put it inside, and the small number, we put it outside.
Always it's not like that. Anyways, let's come here. During a migration, hummingbird can fly 210 in 7 hours. Okay. Now I have 2 things. Girls, don't write until I explain. Please don't write until I explain. You have 2 things. You have a hummingbird. I'll write HB. And you have a goose. Okay. Now, hummingbird fly 210 miles in 7 hours. And goose can fly 165 in 3 hours. So which bird fly at faster rate? So 1 hour, how much? 1 hour, how much? That means you will divide what and what? You will divide 200.
7 by
7.
210.
Here you will divide 165 divided by 3 and you will check. So this one is 30 in 1 hour and this one is in 55 in 1 hour. So which bird fly faster? 30 mile in 1 hour or 55 mile in 1 hour?
55 mile in 1 hour.
Oh my God. 30 miles. Very good. 55 miles in 1 hour. That means goose or hummingbird?
Goose.
Did you understand, girls? How do I do it? Girls, Maria, did you get it?
Yeah.
See, hummingbird, 210 miles in 7 hours. So 1 hour, how much means I need to divide the both? When I divided both, I got 30. Girls, don't get confused with this. You just need to divide simple, like this. $30 in 1 hour. And this one you got 55 in 1 hour. That means the goose flies at a faster rate. Okay?
Miss, but how does the goose fly faster than a hummingbird?
Yes, it does. Done, girls? Are you all done? Please,
Yes.
I'm waiting for you here. Grade 6 girls. Are you there with me or no?
Miss, I finished.
Why are you not answering?
Yes, we are, Miss.
Yalla. I will show you how I do this. A 64-ounce bottle of apple. I'll write 64 ounce. It is $5. It is $5.76. So 1 is how much? So 1 ounce is how much? So what will I divide? 1 minute, let me just put a question mark. 1 ounce is how much?
So we divide
5.76
5.76.
over 64, right?
So 64 divided by 5.76, right?
No, look at this. Look at the question mark. The question mark
Okay, so
has to be the numerator. 5.76 over 64.
mhm.
So then
So
you
which
get your-
number?
See, how do you
is
get
the dividend?
0.09? How will you do this question? I will not give such different numbers, difficult numbers. But if you do it 576 and 64, you get 9. And then you just put a point before two numbers, 1, 2, and you get 0.09. Did you get it? Now here, forget that there is a point, just put 180 and 15. 15 times 12, 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. And the point is before two numbers. Point is before two numbers.
Two numbers.
0.12. I put it down. Your answer is 0.1. So it is less expensive, of
Like,
course.
I got it, but
It will take time. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the same lesson. So don't worry. I'm going slow in this because I know it
okay.
takes time to understand. Again, girls, grade 7 will repeat this. Grade 8 we will repeat this. Don't worry at all. So of course, 64-ounce bottle, you get 0.09. And 15-ounce bottle, you get 0.12. So we'll choose 64-ounce bottle because it costs less per ounce. Done, girls?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try this with you. I will not show you the answer, but let me go here. So that we just copy. Okay. Yalla girls, look at this question carefully. Heroes,
Yes.
what's the meaning of dozen eggs? Dozen
Means
eggs means what?
A lot of eggs.
No, dozen means 12.
One. Okay. Yeah.
12, okay? So 12 eggs.
12.
12 eggs. That is nothing but 1 dozen actually, a dozen. Dozen means 12. I'll just write there. 12 eggs cost $1.20. And in another store, you have 18 eggs because 1.5 dozen means 18 eggs. 12 plus 6 cost $2.16. So let us check. 1 egg is how much here? And 1 egg is how much here? Of course, you will divide 1.20 divided by 12. And here you will divide 2.16 divided by 18. Let us check. This is nothing but 10 point is before two numbers. And this one, if I do 18 divided by 216, 18 times 1, 18, 3, 18 times 2, 36. So you have 12. That means point before two numbers, again, you have 0.12 and you have 0.10. Tell me, which one is better to buy? Which one is less?
0. No, actually 0.12 because there's 18 eggs in that one.
No, don't check that. You have seen the cost of 1 egg. The 1 egg cost here 0.10. 1 egg is 0.
Okay, that doesn't.
And here 1 egg is 0.12. So which dollar is more? $0.110 or $0.12? Which one?
More or less?
Less, okay, yalla, less.
0.10.
Yeah.
0.10.
That's why 0.10 is for store 1. So store 1 is lower. So a dozen of eggs for
Then store 2.
For store 1 is better to buy. Store 1 is the better buy. Are you all able to understand or still no?
No. It's easy, kind of.
Inshallah, yeah.
Why did you put 18 instead of like 1.5?
Why write all this?
18 times 1 is 18. Where are you asking me 18?
Oh, okay.
And here, see, because 1.5 doesn't. Half doesn't means 1 is 12 plus half means 6. So 12 plus 6 is 18. This is 1.5 dozen. Okay, girls? Any questions?
No.
May I erase it, girls?
Yes.
See, 72 miles is 4 gallons.
I have a question.
So
Why did you
divide
put like the
72,
times?
so one
and
gallon
less
is how
than-
to divide them? When you divide 72 and 4, you get girls, wait a minute, girls. 72 and 72, when you divide it by 4, three, 4 times 8 is 32, and you get 18. You get 18 miles. Dean paid $27 for 4 tickets. So $27 for 4 tickets. 1 ticket is how much? Tell me, what should I do? 27 over 4 or 4 over 27? Yes, Tala? Maria? Is it 27
Yes.
4 or
Yes.
4 over 27?
4 over 20.
7.
This is correct, right? That means my
Yes.
let us do 27 over 4. Around 6.75. My answer is around 6.75. If you have finished, girls, that's it for today's class. If you have finished, let me know, please. $27 for 4 tickets. For 1 ticket, how much? It's 27 divided by 4. When I do it, I get 6.75. See?
Miss, I finished.
Did you do it?
Miss, why did you write 2020?
What?
Why did you write 20 and then
Please, I cannot hear you.
Miss, why did you write 20 and then another 20?
Because 4 times 5 is 20. And then when I minus it, I get a 0. When I subtract both, I get 2. And then because of this point, I put one more 0 and I did 4.5 is 20.
Miss, if we're done, do we leave?
Yes, you can leave.
Okay, bye.
May I leave, girls? Bye, girls. Did everyone finish?
Bye, Miss.
Bye, girls. You can have a little bit of break.
Bye.
Bye, girls.